हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड दिस क्वेश्चन. कैलकुलेट द लेटिस एनर्जी फॉर द रिएक्शन. सो ये हमारे पास रिएक्शन गिवन है. गिवन दैट इन दिस वी कैन सी enthalpy of sublimation for the lithium is equals to the 160. Enthalpy for dissociation for chlorine is 244. Ionization potential of lithium is 520. Electron affinity of chlorine is minus 365, and enthalpy of formation of LiCl is equals to minus 400, all in kilojoule per mole. And these are the following options given to us. So सबसे पहले हम इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट देखेंगे. And the key concept of this question is the lattice energy. It is lattice energy. So now let us discuss about the lattice energy. Basically lattice energy वो energy होती है which is required to convert the 1 mole of ionic solid into its gaseous ionic constituent. So we can write the same. The energy required to convert 1 mole of an ionic solid into gaseous ionic constituents. For example, जो हमें reaction given है that we can consider जो LiCl है, that is in the solid form, and it will lead to the formation of the lithium positive which is in gaseous phase and Cl negative ion which is also in the gaseous phase. Now for this they are asking for the lattice energy and various other energy हमारे पास और various other enthalpies हमारे पास given है. Now for this जो हमारे पास lithium positive ion बनेगा from the lithium solid से डायरेक्ट अगर ये गैस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाए then that process is called the sublimation. और जो हमारे पास enthalpy change आएगा that will be the delta H sublimation. The next जो हमारे पास होगा, this lithium gas will be converted into its lithium ion and 1 electron loss कर देगा, and when 1 electron is lost from this then that is called the ionization potential. So here we can write as delta H IP. Now here we can see lithium positive का formation हो गया. Now the same we will consider for the Cl2, that is the chlorine gas जो हमारे पास होता है. When the chlorine gas is dissociated then it will lead to the formation of the 2Cl, and जो हमारे पास dissociation enthalpy होती है that is for the 1 mole, here we can see 2Cl है, so it can be written as half of Cl2 gas leads to the formation of the Cl gas. Now the next it will be जो Cl gas है that will lead to the formation of the Cl negative ion, and it is possible जब एक electron gain होगा, and the gain in the electron is the electron affinity. So यहाँ पे जो enthalpy change आएगा that will be written as the EA which represents the electron affinity. Now जो भी हमने enthalpies लिखी है अगर हम उसे add कर दें then it will lead to the formation of the net enthalpy, और वो net enthalpy हमारे पास क्या होगा, that will be the enthalpy of formation. and जो हमारे पास dissociation enthalpy given है that is for the Cl2. Cl2 के लिए अगर हमारे पास dissociation enthalpy given है then for this we needed this, so delta H divided by 2 हो जाएगा. Now here we can write जो हमारे पास enthalpy of formation होगा that will be equal to the delta H sublimation which is for the lithium addition delta H ionization potential, and that is also for the lithium. The next is जो delta H dissociation है that is divided by 2 for the chlorine plus delta H electron affinity एंड प्लस जो हमारे पास लेटिस एनर्जी रहेगी that is also added. So ये हमारे पास formula रहेगा for this. Now we will use the values which are given to us. So enthalpy of formation हमें given है, that is the minus 400, and ये सब के सब values are in kilojoule per mole. So जो हमारे पास unit है उसके लिए we don't have to take consideration because सब कुछ हमारे पास kilojoule per mole में है. So delta H sublimation दिया हुआ है हमें 160 plus the next ionization potential के लिए it is 520 plus dissociation के लिए हमें दिया गया है enthalpy that is 244 divided by 2 हो जाएगा, and इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी नेगेटिव में है हमारे पास -365 प्लस में लेटिस एंथैल्पी, here we will write it as E lattice energy. Now we will solve this. So ये 2 के टेबल पे कैंसिल हो जाएगा, it will be 122. So 160 plus 520 plus 122 will be 802. प्लस माइनस माइनस हो जाएगा 365 प्लस लेटिस एनर्जी और ये इक्वल है -400 के. नाउ लेटिस एनर्जी हमारे पास आएगा -400 था, दिस विल बी टेकन टू द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और it will be minus of 802 plus of 365. So minus minus plus हो जाएगा, but साइन नेगेटिव का रहेगा, 802 बड़ा है एंड नेगेटिव साइन है, so minus of 400 and minus of 802 मिलके बनाएगा, it will be 1202 plus 365. So minus plus minus हो जाएगा, साइन नेगेटिव का रहेगा as 1202 is greater than 365. So minus करेंगे तो it will be 837 and the value will be in only kilojoule per mole. So जो हमारे पास लेटिस एनर्जी आई है that will be equal to the option A, -837 will be the correct response for the same. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.